Did you know that you can now add a Place Smartchip inside a Google Doc? So in order to do that, all you need to do is go to the Insert, go down to Smart Chips, and let's add a place. So now we're going to look for a place, so we're going to start typing in the name. And we're going to find Penn Manor High School, and we're going to add that in as a smart chip. So now if we want to see that, all we need to do is hover over it to see it, or if we want to actually open it in a preview, you can go down here and click on the preview. So now we have our preview off to the right, and if I want to get directions how to get there, all I need to do is click on the directions to get there, and I can put in my starting point and go.